Hello friends, this is Tanya and I'm back again with a product close-up for Moonlit Town cutout die, and this is from the Autumn Impressions release. This is a window die cut, and this only cuts out the window, so you can create this on many different size panels. You can use this as a layer or as a window for your card. This is an A2 size, so I have one of the modern embossed A2 sized stacks here, and I am showing you the layer that cuts the 4 by 5 1/4 inch and how that die fits around our Moonlit Town, and that cuts so easily. That's how it fits on an A2 sized card. And then we're going to take one of the modern embossed A7 dies, and this is the one that cuts 4 1/2 by 6 1/2, and we'll center that in our card, in our panel. And as you can see, it only fits in one direction. It fits in the landscape direction for all of these, and that's what it looks like on a 5 by 7 card base. Here is a Slimline die. This is is this the second from the largest stitched panel? And you can center that in the card front. Sorry, the panel that goes on the card front. You can put that to one side or the other, or you can center it right in the middle. That's all 3 of those. And surprise, surprise, it works with the rainbow stencil and the autumn rainbow dies, or stamp set. It works with the nightscapes scene builders. It works with lots of things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now. And if you're interested in the Moonlit Town die, it will be linked in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.